take care of a lot of business, and it's on the difficult side. Hello everyone. How are you guys doing? Happy Friday. Today is October the 22nd. I hope everyone is doing well. All your family and loved ones, just checking in. I am having a hell of a morning. I'm trying to take care of a lot of business, and it's on the difficult side. Yeah, that's my dilemma today. Yeah, that's my dilemma today. I'm out and about, getting things done, taken care of. I did redo my hair, so it's like sort of in a mohawk, but yeah, so I hate trying to take care of stuff and it doesn't work out for me, but yeah. Okay, and for lunch, I'm gonna do shrimp Alfredo from Olive Garden. I like their pasta dishes. They're pretty good. And garlic bread with a salad. So that will be my lunch for today. And then my yam babies are coming this evening. They'll be showing up around after 3. So I'll be able to spend some time with them. And figure out some other stuff for the office. So yeah. Okay, made it in the house, and I'm going to show you that we got Olive Garden, and we have garlic bread, salad, and shrimp Alfredo. I like this pasta. I haven't had it in a while. So this is what I got for my lunch. I'm so excited. So that's what I'm gonna have. Yeah, so give me a few minutes and I am going to chow down and I'll get back with you. Told you, out running errands. I thought I just got there eating. And at Menards. Jim Shoe. Hey man. Would you? Hi. Hi. My yam babies are here. So I'm going to spend my evening with my 2 princes. So I'm happy about that. All right. Don't forget, subscribe, like, and press that notification bell. Okay, and I will see you next time in next video. Hey! So this is the next day. Today is October the 23rd. My yam babies are gone. And it's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so I'm trying to figure out some things to do. As far as do I want to take care of some other things. I was supposed to go to a birthday party, but we missed it. It was last weekend, so bummer on that. I'm watching down the waterfall. So it's gone. He just tore down the last of it. Bummer. Oh. Yeah. We really didn't get a chance to enjoy it this summer, but that's okay. That's okay. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little cleaning up and guess I'll get back with you guys.